Hello students, let's proceed with the third session. Today we will learn some I family words and we will start with Eid. I-D, Eid. So read with me. Bead, B-I-D, bead. L-I-D, lid. D-I-D, did. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. R-I-D, read. S-K-I-D, skid. So, these are some Eid family words. Now for the meaning parts, you have some pictures, colorful pictures. But in this class, we will learn something new. That is, in the meaning part, in the meanings column, I have added a new thing for you. That is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Any name is a noun. Name of a person, name of a thing, name of a feeling, name of a body part. Anything is actually a noun. So, in each slide in this class, you will notice some nouns. All the words given are not nouns, but from all the words given, we will learn to identify, pick up noun. Likewise, see, in this column, beside two words, nouns are written in the bracket. So, see, lead, L-I-D, lead. Lead means cover. So, cover is a name of an utensil. So, name of a utensil is a noun. So, lead is a noun. Cover is also a noun. Now, kid. Kid you all know because you are all kids, lovely little kids. So, kid is actually a child. Kids are children. So, you see, kid is also a noun. Now, IG, Eek family words like big, pig, dig, fig, gig, rig, wig. Now come to the meaning part. We will again identify nouns. So, first noun is pig. See, pig is an animal. Can you see the picture of a cute pig? So, name of an animal is a noun. Now, fig. Fig is a fruit. You can see the picture of fig. Again, name of a fruit is a noun. So, fig is a noun. Now, gig. Gig. Can you see a horse? And behind him, a two-wheeled cart is attached. So, gig. It may be a new word for you. Gig is actually a two-wheeled horse driven cart. So, this is a name of a vehicle. So, this is again a noun. Now, rig. Do you know what is rig? You can see the picture and there is something in between the ocean. It is standing and this helps ships. So, this is an arrangement where sails of ships, many fittings are actually arranged and that is called rig. So, that is a rig and rig is a noun. Now, wig, W-I-G, wig. Have you ever heard this word wig? Wig is actually false hair. We can see in the movies, cinemas, heroes, heroine and other characters often wear wig. So, wig is the name of a thing and so it is a noun. Now come to ILL, ill family words. Read with me. Ill, ILL, ill. HILL, hill. TILL, till. DRILL, grill. GRILL, grill. BILL, bill. DILL, dill. So there are some words in the ill family. Now again come to noun words. See, there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nouns here. What are they? Hill, drill, grill, bill and dill. Why these are nouns? Look, hill. What is a hill? Hill actually is a shortened mountain. Yes, mountains are generally higher than the hills, so shorter mountains are called hills. So hill is a name of a natural object. So any natural object like sky, like air, like river, these are all nouns. Because these are names of natural objects, so these are nouns. Now drill. What is drill? Drill is exercise. Yes, you can see the picture. A girl is doing exercise. So exercise is drilling. It can also be used as verb, but we will come to that part later. But take it as noun now, and drill is a name of exercise. So drill is a noun. Now grill. Wow, grill, we love it. Do you like kebabs? Yes, kebabs are actually grilled food. So you can see some chicken and other items are being grilled there, and I love kebabs. Do you? So these are grill, and grill actually is a name of a thing. That's why it is also a noun. Now bill. Bill we get from the shops. So bill is a name of a thing and bill is a noun. Now deal. Deal may be a new thing for you, new word for you. Deal is actually a plant, and leaves, fine leaves of this plant are used in our cooking. It has a beautiful aroma, beautiful flavor. So dill is actually a name of a plant, and name of a plant is a noun. Now ip family words. IP, ip. Deep, DIP, deep. ZIP, zip. LIP, lip. TIP, tip. DRIP, drip. SIP, sip. SHIP, ship. Mind the difference between sip and ship. SIP, sip, and SHIP, ship. So S is pronounced as sa and SH is pronounced as sha. So it is ship. Now you can get the meanings from the column and the form from the pictures also. Now explaining the noun. Zip. Zip is chain which we find in our jeans pants or trousers or jackets. So you can see a picture of zip. So zip is the name of a thing, and name of a thing you know is a noun. So zip is a noun. Lip. I said that any body parts is actually a noun. So lip is also a body part and lip is also a noun. Tip. Tip is top of something. Look, there is a picture of a pencil and there is the tip of pencil. With an arrow I have shown the tip of the pencil. So tip is actually a name of a place. Name of a place is also a noun. So tip is also a noun. Drip. Do you know what is drip? Drip is drop of water. Yes. So drop of water is also a noun. Drip is also a noun. And last but not the least, ship. Ship is a water vehicle, water vessel. So ship, you can see a picture of ship. Ship is also a noun. family words. In. In, you know, is itself a noun. In is preposition. But I have added some words of in family here, like bin, pin, tin, fin, sin, chin, win. So you see chin, chin, chin. Ch is pronounced as chaw. Chin, and the last word is win. Now see, bin is a noun. Tell me why it is a noun? Yes, because this is a name of a thing. We use dustbins, no? So this is a very familiar thing. Pin. What is pin? Yes, you use boat pins. So another word for pin is nail. We don't actually use often the word nail, but pin. Pin is the name of a thing. It's a noun. Tin. Tin is the name of a metal. You can see the tin rooftop. Yes, we use it at the rooftop, the shed. Yes, it is a shed made of tin. So tin is the name of a metal, and any metal, name of any metal is noun. Fin. Fin is the, yes, you can see a picture, and the fin is marked with arrow. So this is a body part of a fish, and body part is already, you know that it is a noun. So fin is also a noun. Sin. Sin can both be used as verbs and noun, and for noun parts, sin is doing something very bad which causes harms to other. So this is sin, and sin is actually a name of an action. So name of an action is also again a noun. Chin. Chin. Do you know chin? That is the lower part of mouth, and again this is a body part, so it is again a noun. So chin is also a noun. It family words. Eat, pit, hit, bit, sit, fit, spit. Here we see only two nouns. One is pit, another is bit. One is pit, another is bit. Pit. Pit, you know, is a hole. We can see in the villages. We are going through a field, and suddenly we see a hollow place. We see a hole in the ground. So that is a pit. You can see the picture of a pit. And bit is a little part of something, like a bit of anything. So this is the name of a part, and that is a noun. Now let's sum up. I have made a list of some cluster of things which can always be called as noun. So, name of thing is a noun. Name of any utensils like pressure cooker, like plates, like glass, like cups, these are all nouns. Name of any person is noun. Name of a place, name of animal, name of body parts, name of metal, name of feelings, name of fruit, name of flower, name of vehicle, name of action, and name of any natural object. These are all nouns. There are many other nouns, you can classify that, but practice with this first. So, mind it carefully that nouns are names of anything. In the next class, you have to identify nouns of your own. all the cluster of words in the list, I think we have discussed and I showed you examples of those words. But only one thing was not explained. That was name of feelings. Yes, how a feeling can be a noun? See, any feeling like your anger, your love, what you feel inside your mind, these are also nouns. That means sometimes you get angry. So the anger you feel inside your mind is noun. Love, hatred, jealousy, honesty, beauty, strength, cruelty, kindness, bravery, cowardice, swiftness, goodness, freedom. These are all nouns. And these nouns, which can only be felt and cannot be explained in any other way, like you cannot touch it, you cannot see it, you cannot smell it, you cannot hear it, so it can only be felt. These are called abstract nouns. You cannot see abstract nouns. So I have made a list of some abstract nouns here, like ability, love, anger, belief, hope, hatred, confusion, satisfaction, mercy. So these are all abstract nouns. You please learn to identify these type of nouns also. Okay? Now the last list, ICK word, that is again I family words. ICK, and these words ends with ICK, ick. So LICK, lick, SICK, sick, PICK, pick, KICK, kick, STICK, stick, PRICK, prick, BRICK, brick. So please read with me. Again, ING words. Ring, 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 SING, sing, BRING, bring, THING, thing, CLING, cling, WING, wing, ISH, ish words. Fish, 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 DISH, dish, WISH, wish, POLISH, police, SALFISH, selfish, FOOLISH, foolish. IX words. Ix, mix, fix, six. Please practice these words also. At the end, one of your favorite activities. Yes, drawing. Draw your room and find out how many nouns are there in your room. Like always, take your handwriting copy and write all these words in cursive style. Pronounce words while writing. It will increase your reading capability. Learn the meanings of the words from the pictures. Learn to identify nouns, mark up spellings, memorize meanings, and draw the picture. Draw whatever you wish. Thank you.